Hey guys, how's it going? It's Flat Earth Sage again. Coming at you with another video real quick. Today I wanted to do a quick little video on the benefits of the cucumber, specifically cucumber water. Cucumber infused water. So what are the benefits? So a lot of people are probably like, well, what exactly are the benefits for cucumber water? Well, the first one is, obviously, since it's water, it keeps you hydrated. So just the fact you're drinking water alone is good. The second is cucumber helps to detoxify the body. It contains antioxidants that ward off free radicals and flush out toxins from the body. So it detoxifies the body. Also, it can aid in weight loss as well. If you're a person that likes to consume a lot of juices and sodas and stuff like that, stuff with a lot of sugar, replacing cucumber water with that can significantly help your health, help to aid you in weight loss. Cucumber water also contains cucumbaceans, which I hope I'm saying that word right, and lignans, which help to prevent cancer. And they also contain phytins, which are known to help fight off prostate cancer. And cucumbers also can help lower your blood pressure, because they contain a high amount of potassium, which potassium is a necessary ingredient for the body that helps regulate the amount of sodium in the kidneys, hence lowering your blood pressure. It also helps to support healthy brain health, because of that ingredient, because of that chemical I mentioned earlier called phytine. Because of that chemical that I stated earlier called phytine, can actually help keep your brain healthy and a lot younger. So that's that part. Next one. See, your boy did his research today. Actually, this is probably one of the most in-depth researches I've ever done. And from now on, my videos are going to be a lot more detailed. So, what else does it help with? Okay, they also help to promote healthy bones, believe it or not, because cucumber water actually contains a high dose of vitamin K, which helps in the forming of proteins that are required for healthy bones and bone tissue. It also helps keep good muscles. It keeps your muscles healthy because it contains a mineral known as silica, which helps keep muscles hydrated and improves physical health. Cucumber water also can help with bad breath. Basically what it does is it cools the body and increases the saliva secretions and strips off the odor causing bacteria. It also has a high dietary fiber content, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system as well. And those are about 11 different ways that I just went through. I think about 11 different ways that I just went through. 11 different examples on how drinking cucumber water can benefit your overall health. I myself grow my own cucumbers all 100% organic. I slice the cucumbers up and I put it in fluoride-free distilled water, which is actually the healthiest kind of water you can actually put into your body. Sometimes I put lemon basil leaves inside there to give it a very slight tangy kind of taste to it. And not to mention, it tastes really good. It has a taste to it. And so I highly recommend people try, at the very least, replace their juices and sodas with cucumber water. If that's, that alone will drastically change your health. And also, I don't think I stated earlier, cucumbers will actually help keep a healthy looking skin, due to the fact that a lot of those toxins and free radicals that are in your body, it helps to flush it out, and it'll actually help make your skin look a lot more youthful looking. How do I describe it? It'll make your skin look a lot younger and a lot healthier. So I forgot to mention that point. So I'm actually bottling up my own infused cucumber water right now. As soon as I get together bottle enough of those, I hope to sell it. Because I believe that good health is important nowadays to people's overall well-being, especially in this day and age, with fast food and sodas and sugary juices and all this unhealthy stuff for your body. But I just wanted to go ahead and go by a list of just a few of the things that drinking cucumber water daily can help you with. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys decide to try cucumber water. I hope you guys put that in your daily diet. Cucumber is a superfood, so you are doing your body a lot of good, and your body really will appreciate it. So anyways, guys, I hope you all are having a great night. I love all you guys. Peace.